It's already 2020, right? And most gadgets today are connected to the internet. I mean, your TV is connected to the internet, my fridge could probably be connected to the internet, our vacuum cleaners are also probably connected to the internet. The problem is most dash cams aren't. So today, in collaboration with ThingWare, we want to show you an LTE connected dash cam like the ThingWare T700 right here, just how it can be very, very useful to you. Not having a dash cam that's connected to the internet can give you several problems, right? You will not be able to view the footage remotely, and when you're away from your car, you won't be alerted in real time when someone knocks into your car. So let me tell you just how the ThingWare T700 can address these issues. Now, most of you will be thinking, what is this LTE-enabled dash cam? What is it all about? It's not a big deal. Well, the LTE-enabled dashcam like the ThingWare T700 will change the way you view dashcams. It's not just about recording an accident, or it's not just about recording a hit and run, or even expediting a claim insurance. It's a bit more than that. So the ThingWare T700 will allow you to track the driver's behavior. So for instance, if you lend a car to your kid, or say maybe your parents for instance, you'll be able to track how far they have driven, how fast they have driven, and even the route they have actually driven on. So it's all about safety. You can also track the car's battery life, which is quite interesting. Not a lot of dashcams actually do that at the moment actually. And then speaking of battery life, let's just say you've decided to go on a holiday, when you can start flying for that matter. You don't want to come back to a dead car because you forgot to switch off the ThingWare T700 or your dashcam for instance. So to do that, you can actually switch off the ThingWare T700 remotely. Now that's just convenient. Then there's the remote live view, which essentially sends you a live feed of where a car is when you're not in the car, when you're not driving. It works in scenarios like, say for instance, your kid just got his driver's license and he comes to you and be like, "Oh, Papa, I want to drive your car." It's possible. You want to keep track of him and make sure that he's not doing any like silly wheel spins and donuts. Remote live view. Or when you send your car for regular servicing and you want to make sure that your car is being babied, remote live view. Or if you ask a friend to help you wash your car, you want to make sure that your car doesn't have any scratches of any kind. Remote live view. The ThingWare T700 also offers what they call the last park image, which essentially takes a photo of where you're parked. It's very useful when you're parked in a big car park like, I don't know, Vivo City or Suntec City perhaps, and it'll look something like this. Useful, eh? Now the main reason why people buy dash cams obviously is because they want to use the footage as evidence for their insurance claims, or to record an accident or hit and run, so and so forth, which is all fine and fair. But ThingWare T700 takes it a step forward. They have an app. Now when you download it and put it on your phone right here, you'll be notified when you're not in your car if your car gets knocked. So if you click on the area where your car gets knocked right here, a video or footage will be played 10 seconds before and after the accident. Now, while that's common for a lot of dash cams, what the ThingWare T700 offers is an SOS function. Now, this SOS function will send out an SMS message to your next of kin, notifying them of the location and the footage of the accident. So, for instance, if I'm the one who's driving and I got into a horrible accident, an SMS will be sent to my wife, and she'll be able to see the footage and obviously the location of where the accident occurred. Again, it depends on whether she decides to call the ambulance or not. Getting a dash cam is all about having a peace of mind, right? But an LTE-enabled dash cam like the ThingWare T700 sort of takes that level of assurance one more notch higher. You'll be able to view where your kid is going, where your parents are going, all remotely and conveniently. It's all about safety, right? And I suppose, isn't that what a dash cam is supposed to do?